Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you're new here, we discuss all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today's video is a beauty unboxing, and I'll also be unboxing some hair mists that I brought. These are hair mists from luxury perfume brands, and let me tell you guys, these hair mists smell amazing. One thing I like about hair mist is if you're looking to try a luxury perfume brand and you do not want to spend all your money, try the hair mist. It's a no-brainer. Obviously you're going to have to layer the scents a lot more because they're not going to be strong. They're not going to be as strong as perfume, but you save yourself money and you can try these luxury brands. So let me get into it. The first scent I have is I got it from Selfridges, and it came in this lovely bag. I love it. Like, this is so handy. I feel like I'm going to keep these bags, and I don't know what I'm going to fill it up with, but I'm going to fill it up with something. The first hair mist that we have is from Maison Coeur de Jean. Oh my days, Maison France's Coeur de Jean. I love their perfume. The Baccarat Rouge, everyone knows, perfume is amazing. The perfume it's just all kinds of rich vibes. Like, if you want to buy your first luxury perfume, I would definitely recommend this brand. Like, this particular Baccarat Rouge 540, you smell like money. Like, it's just, you smell luxurious. Like, it's the best brand. But this is the hair mist. So I didn't want to spend lots of money on getting just one perfume when I knew I could get lots of different perfumes, literally trying out hair mist. And obviously I can utilize it by both, by spraying it on my hair and layering it as a scent. This is 70 ml. 70 ml. This is what it looks like, and it smells exactly like the brand. It's just, whew, beautiful. It's not as strong, and like I said, it will require layering of the scent, but it is fantastic. It's alcohol free, so it's perfect for your hair. You shouldn't be spraying perfume in your hair because it can be damaging, it can dry out your hair. So I definitely wouldn't recommend. However, I mean, if you must, I would always spray on a brush first before spraying it directly into my hair, just not so it can dry out my hair much. But yeah, this is so beautiful, and let me describe it to you. It's a woody, ambery, floral softness, and it is just that. It's so elegant, it's so soft, it smells so beautiful. This is my favorite, one of my favorite perfumes. Like, it's just, oh, fantastic. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Next one again is I got it again from Selfridges, and I was checking Selfridges. Like, I've had it in my favorite save for a while, and it was £60, and I was like, okay, I don't really want to spend £60. Randomly checking, and then it went down to £30, and I was like, no brainer, add to cart, check out. So I did just that, and this is Helfetti from Penhaligon's, and again, hair mist. It's a hair mist, and it is 100 ml for £30. Did I hear you say bargain? Yeah, I thought so too. So 100 ml from Penhaligon's. This is how the normal bottles come. Again, it is a hair mist, and you will require to layer the scent, but this is a strong oudi smell. So if you like those strong oudi smells that when you walk into the room people are like, wow, she smells like money, this is the scent that you get. This is it. Oh, it smells so good. Like, wow. So again, this scent, I describe it as a strong oudi smell. It doesn't have like written on the box, but yeah, it's gorgeous. It's strong, it's oudi, again, directly to your hair, and you can layer it as a scent. The next one I got was from Harrods. Now, I had this in my wish list for a while, and I'm in an RM because I hadn't tried perfume from this brand, but everyone had told me that this brand is good, and normally people go for the blue sapphire in this brand, but I happened to miss out. Apparently that they did have it on sale on Harrods, but I happened to miss out. So originally when I had this in my wish list, it sold out, and I was like, oh, I'll wait until it came back. It came back again and it sold out, and then it came back a third time. I was like, yeah, I need to buy it because I don't know what I'm waiting for. So this is from the brand Boadicea the Victorious. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I've already opened up the box. Came with this lovely gift card from Harrods. This is such a cute envelope. Look how gorgeous that is. I've just ripped it open. A little gift note, as it was a gift. So yes, this is from Boadicea the Victorious. I hope I'm not butchering these names. You know me, I'm butchering names. Forgive me. But look how beautifully packaged this is. Absolutely stunning. Like, it's just luxury vibes, and this was 50 quid. The original price is in the 200s. 250 quid. It makes sense, yeah. So wow. Wow, I smell like money. No, I smell rich. I smell like money. Nah, guys, this hair mist, this actually smells like perfume. Like, it's so strong. Like, it's so good. Again, it's alcohol free. It's 50 ml, and this is Inseni hair mist. I'm gonna buy another one. Wow. No, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I can only imagine what the Blue Sapphire smells like. It's like a floral, again, it's like floral-y, oody kind of, it's so soft, it's so elegant, it's so rich. Can you see the vibe I'm going for? Wow, this smells so good. I've got to spray it small because it's only 50 ml. Guys, I would definitely recommend people going for hair mist, and I would only say this if you don't want to splash the cash on one perfume. So like, all these perfumes range in the £200 range, but their hair mists are a lot cheaper. So if you want to try your hand at luxury perfumes, I would definitely recommend trying out the hair mist of a brand before splurging any cash. I mean, £50, £30, £70, £75, I think this was. They're bargains, absolute bargains. Now let's get into the beauty products. So first up, we have this little item from Dior. First of all, Dior stuff becomes beautifully packaged. Like, there's no faulting them. Get this little card. This was a gift, so it has a little note. Just says enjoy. The comes so beautifully packaged, like absolutely stunning. So I got the Dior lip balm in the shade, it's the Dior Addict Lip Glow, sorry, in shade 012 Rosewood. Stunning. I've already used it because I got it earlier on, but it's just a light coloured lip balm. I don't think you can really see that, but it's so moisturizing. Like, it's worth every penny. Like, I would definitely recommend. Beautiful packaging. With it you get 2 free samples. I've got the Dior Rose and Roses and the Dior Sauvage Parfum. This bag is gonna get used. I don't even know what I'm gonna use it for. All these little bags, like, you really get what you pay for when you get a little bit of luxury, and I just think it's so worth it. Like, you get definitely worth what you pay for because they add these little touches, and I think that's just so gorgeous. Like, definitely keeping this bag. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm definitely keeping it. But yes, let's get into the beauty unboxing. So I got these items from Lookfantastic. Got a whole box full. So I'm trying to step up my skincare game. trying to step up my skincare game, so I ordered some beauty products. So first up we have the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and I have heard so many amazing reviews on this product, so I had to get it. I have the 30ml. It is quite pricey, this product. I think it was around £50, 50 or £60. It's quite pricey, but I've heard so many good reviews. I had to try it, and I really want to step up my skincare game. Like, I just want to get glowy skin, and this was one of the things that was recommended. So I'm trying to get into a nighttime routine, so this will form part of the nighttime routine. Next up we have Clinique Takeoff balm. I've tried the Boots No. 7 one, and I really loved it. Again, I've heard great things about Clinique. I actually used to love Clinique, and I think it's important to double cleanse, because just using a makeup wipe remover is not enough. It's not enough. So invest in a balm. I like the balm. It just put it on and it nicely fades your makeup away. So I got this in the 125ml. Love it. Like I said, I've tried the No. 7, so from Boots. If it's anything like that, I can only imagine it's even better. So yeah. Next up we have Ren Skincare. Like, I love Ren Skincare, so I tried their advanced night cream. I think it was dark spot remover night cream, and I really enjoyed it. So I tested it out before purchasing any more products. It worked really great. It left my skin feeling really nice, so I thought, let's step it up and let's get a cleanser. So this is the Ready Steady Glow Tonic. It's actually quite small in size. I obviously didn't look at the sizes before I purchased any of these, or I just don't know what 100ml normally looks like. So this is 100ml, and this is a tonic, like I said, and then we've got the vitamin C gel cream, which is very good for a radiance glow. So I definitely am looking forward to trying this out. I'm not sure if you can see that. These two products from Ren. And then I got the Weleda Skin Food. Again, I've heard so much good reviews on this. It's actually really tiny. Yeah, I clearly don't know much about sizes. This is 30ml. It was like $6.99. And yeah, I've heard it's very moisturizing. It's good if you have dry skin, and at the moment I've been having a lot of dry skin, especially down here. I normally used to have oily skin, but it's like my skin has changed and I now have combination skin. So I'm gonna try this out, and I guess it's the weather, it's the winter time, so this will probably give my skin a boost of moisture that it needs. So I will be trying this out as a day routine. And lastly, we have this from Laura Mercier. I don't understand why everything I got is so small, because it cost some coins. Anyways, I got this from Laura Mercier. I actually love the Laura Mercier under eye powder, which I already have, but I don't have it in this shade. This is the Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes, and I've heard such good things about this, so I definitely want to give this a try. I love Laura Mercier products, so hopefully this will be good. This was around £25, but it's so tiny, so tiny. And then I got this free with my order from Lookfantastic. I got 20% off. If you're new to Lookfantastic, you get 20% off. I think I use the discount code newbie, but I don't know if it changes if you register and sign up to their website. And yeah, that is everything from this beauty haul. If you enjoyed this video, please do comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.